أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 12. Two fathah, two kasrah and two zammah are identical to noon sakin. They complete a sound. Example: dan, din, dun. These can also be written dan, dan, din, din, dun, dun. That means the tanween is equal to dan combined with fathah and sakin noon. Read the last line. Dan, dan, din, din, dun, dun, tan, tan, tin, tin, tun. Open page 27 and read 6 lines with me. If not followed fully, rewind the CD and read it again. Let me be clear, whichever lesson not fully understood can be learned by making contact with me on phone or by letter. This servant of Quran is at your service anytime. My telephone number is 009140 24548 398, Hyderabad, India. Now read the 6 lines of page 27. Tun, dun, dan, din, tin, tun, tan, khun, khin, qun, run, run, rin. Second line, zin, zun, bun, bin, min, mun, lun, lin, fun, yun, hin, nin, un. Line number 3. Aadin, ghishabatun, jahratan, umyun, ra'ufun. Line number 4. kalamhin, saw'in, basitun, alimun, bi'run, shiqaqin, sami'un, qaribun, fadlin, shahadatan, sha'nin. Listen again. Sha'nin. Line number 6. Fakihatin, ba'dhin, qa'idun, nusukin, بتابع